name is K. In this video, we are going to install Arduino IDE. So let's get started. By googling search for Arduino downloads, you will get this page. Here the arduino.cc is the official page by Arduino. Suddenly you entered in the first link, you get the page like this. After it is scrolling down, you will get the download option for different environments. You can download the Arduino based on the environment you are using. Your bundle gets start downloading suddenly. After that, we can install the Arduino bundle. If you open the Arduino IDE after installing, it looks like this. You have to set the preference for the type of boards using with the Arduino IDE. Here I had added ESP32. You can add anything you want. Now after preference, we have to set the board. By clicking board manager, you can add any kind of boards. In board manager, we get many kind of boards. We have to make search for our board and make install. Always try to install with the latest versions. After you install from the board manager, you can use any board you have. Now you can enjoy with your Arduino IDE. Thanks for watching.